Check that out. Conecuh Cajun. Cajun Conecuh. This is out of Alabama. Supposedly, you see a little piggy? Supposedly, supposed to be some of the best sausage there is. Oh, shout out to Gary over at East Texas Cooking and Outdoors. Him, or maybe it was Bevo, his producer. But Gary gave me this, yeah. So we're gonna try it up. And I can show you the cook, but I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell you what I think about this sausage. I'm still not feeling good. I haven't started cooking yet, but I'm just gonna go put this on the grill and it'll just be sizzling, nice and easy. Be back, and we're gonna see what this sausage looks like, tastes like, smells like. All right. Watch it. Whoa, it did a good one. Yeah, good. Oh. Yeah. That is awesome. I'm gonna buy more of this. Just to do that. Well, that was fun. You gotta do more. Check that out. I hope he's on camera showing when it popped and that was so fun, man. It's like having a new toy. Alright, let's get this stuff over here and let's try this now. It does have a good little different smell to it. Alright, get away, fly. This is my food. Alright, here we go. Now, it's a Cajun one. No. That's really good. It's a very different than a normal sausage. Not sure. I don't do fantastic on taste tests all the time. Got these little red things in it. A little bit of heat, but not bad. Papa can handle it. That means Tom can too. I don't know if you can see that or not. These are little red things. Maybe they're peppers or something. There's a little seed of something. I do like this. Gary, you said it was good. It is good. It's a very different kind of sausage taste. I'm sure a lot of it has to do with spices that they put in it. Would I buy this? Yeah. It's a nice change of pace for sausage. I'm gonna go inside. This is my first cook, if you want to call it that, in like a month. People think I shaved my beard off or cut it down last weekend, but yeah, it was an old video. Yeah, know how to work that. Alright. We're out of town while you're watching this. I have cameras so I'll know if you come by. Alright. Sorry, I just don't feel up to it. Still healing. It's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. We'll see you next Sunday. Yeah.